When it comes to movie nights and gaming sessions, having crystal clear detail on an expansive screen is super important, which is exactly why I'm booting you off this set. Say goodbye to fuzzy, dull television visuals and say hello to bright, gorgeous, sparkling images with the LG C2 evo OLED TV. How's it going, everyone? I'm Devin Howard on Instagram as @DevinHoward and on TikTok as @DevinMHoward. Welcome back to another episode of Unbox This. Today, we're getting into a super-sized TV that delivers supercharged performance. In today's world, our tech just gets tinier and tinier, but when it comes to movie nights and epic gaming sessions, the tiniest TV just isn't going to cut it. The LG OLED 65C2 PUA 4K Ultra High Def Smart TV takes you to the next level of entertainment. Movies, streaming, and games will be broadcast into your living room with the highest level of detail. I've unboxed one 65-inch TV in the past and it was a major struggle, so let's get into this one right now. It's time to unbox this. Alright, you guys, we are here ready to unbox this 65-inch TV. I have my helper Nico.
Yeah.
Or Nikus, as I like to call him now. So let's get started. Nico, I'm going to start by slicing off these bands.
Okay.
Okay. Now, our theory is that you will be able to just slide this top part right off. So we're going to... Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, we were right. But I'm a little nervous. Feels very precarious.
Straight up.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Whoa, we cleared it. All right, that was way easier than I expected.
Yeah, you could have probably done this yourself.
I don't know about that, Nico. That's a lot of confidence in me. Okay, let's move this out of the way. We're back ready for some more unboxing. So I have a piece of styrofoam here. And I'm gonna just toss this aside.
I think this might be the base plate.
Oh, let's check this out. So the first true thing out of the box is the base plate.
Yeah.
You were right. Nice, I'll put that. Jeez. Oh my gosh, and then where are we gonna put it?
So,
2, 1.
Okay, pull up. What do you think?
Yeah. God. Woo! Okay. Woo!
There we go.
Okay, wait,
It's
gotta
rested.
readjust. This TV is so paper thin.
You're holding it.
I know, I feel like I'm gonna bend it and break it. Face down?
Yeah.
Okay. We have a couple pieces actually that's going to help us hook this into the stand. Here, Neeks, you wanna take care of that?
Sure. It's like Christmas morning.
I know. Except for I can't open any of these. There we go. So this is your remote. All right, you guys, we're gonna install the base onto this TV and then we're gonna talk about all of the cool details. Hang tight. Okay, you guys, as you can see, we have the TV on its stand, it's plugged in, and it's displaying artwork. That's incredible. But we also have a peel moment before we dive into all these specs. So let me get to that. Oh my God. That was the most satisfying peel moment. The 65-inch LG C2 evo OLED TV is really going to upgrade your home theater experience. You'll get everything in HDR with bright colors and crisp contrast. With the A9 Gen 5 processor, super smooth visuals are the baseline thanks to intelligent optimization of each video. Even in fast scenes, your on-screen entertainment will move seamlessly. This processor was engineered exclusively for LG OLED and it works by automatically adjusting your settings to improve picture and sound quality based on whatever you're watching. I mean, I feel like they can get all of that with a high-powered 2002 television set with built-in VCR. Please, just spare yourself. Let's move on. Now this is LG's most popular premium lineup of TVs, and that's likely due to their mass appeal and the fact that they were designed for movie buffs, sports fanatics, and gamers. They also look great, obviously, as you guys can tell. This is a super slim TV with a thin bezel, so when it's mounted to your wall, it won't look too bold, and when it's turned on, your entertainment fills your line of sight. Now, if you really want to get into the weeds with this, let's talk about brightness and contrast. With no backlight, the 8 million self-lit pixels in this screen show off super deep blacks, so you get that crisp contrast that gives way to even the most subtle details. LG's brightness booster works in conjunction with the processor and advanced picture algorithms to give you brighter pictures. Dynamic Tone Mapping Pro brings your movie or game to life by analyzing 5,000 blocks across the screen to reveal even the smallest nuances in your movie, show, or game. So obviously, visuals are so important when it comes to shopping around for your new TV, but sound matters too. And if you're not ready to invest in a whole new soundbar or speaker setup, you will love that the LG C2 evo OLED 65-inch TV comes equipped with AI Sound Pro. The A9 Gen 5 AI processor upmixes 2-channel audio into virtual 7.1.2 sound for a cinema-like experience every single time. Seriously, you'll probably want to ditch your expensive movie theater tickets once you have this up in your home. Now, this is a smart TV, which means your favorite streaming apps are built in, and if you're planning on using this TV for gaming, the LG C2 evo OLED 65-inch comes equipped with NVIDIA G-Sync, FreeSync Premium, and VRR, as well as the LG Game Optimizer and 4 HDMI 2.1 ports, so you get big screen action with top-of-the-line performance. But have you ever hooked up a Nintendo 64 to a Magnavox TV set? Vintage video games are not the vibe right now, babes. And if you want to game on a TV screen, this is the way to do it. I know you guys will also be watching your favorite YouTube shows on this TV too, so let's see how those look. Would you look at that, you guys? It's my absolute favorite YouTube series right now. My first time playing on this massive TV screen. If you guys haven't checked this out, go to the Newegg Studios YouTube page, or you're already on it because you're watching this video right now, and watch my first time building a PC. If this is your ultimate TV, you guys, but you need something bigger or smaller, you're in luck because Newegg has this available in multiple different sizes: 42 inches, 48 inches, 55 inches, 65 inches, 77 inches, and 83-inch screens. So if you'd like to shop the LG C2 evo OLED 65-inch TV, check the link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell. I'm Devin Howard, thanks for watching, and we just unboxed this. Bye guys!